After turning on the machine, the computer will automatically enter the desktop and start the machine's control software. The system will prompt, "All access back to home." Click the OK button. The machine will automatically lift the Z-axis and move it to the left front corner of the machine. This is the origin of the machine. Wait until there is a dot on the left side of XYZA, which means the machine has returned to the origin. Click jog. This is manual mode. Click the L or H in the center. L stands for slow speed and H stands for fast speed. Click X and Y and or Z to move the machine. Click the function key vibration knife up/down to manually raise or lower the vibration knife. Select the MPG function. You can use the hand wheel to slowly move the machine. Point to the X-axis, point to X100. Turn the lower wheel clockwise, the X-axis will move in the X and direction. Turn the lower wheel counterclockwise, the X-axis will move in the X direction. The other axes are the same. Lower the oscillating cutter head and start the oscillating cutter. Slowly lower the Z-axis. Make sure the blade just cuts into the MDF surface. The cutting depth is about 0.5 mm. Click XY0 or Z0. This position is the coordinate where the cutting starts. When setting XYZ0, please note that G54 is displayed for the spindle. G59 is displayed for the vibration knife. When you click the vibration knife up/down key, this will change. When the vibration knife cutting head is lowered, G59 is displayed, and when the cutting head is raised, G54 is displayed. Next, we will demonstrate how to draw common shapes in the software, such as a circle or a rectangle. Draw a circle. Click Scale to set the graphic size. Select the shape and set it to red or other colors. Different colors code different layers. Click Layer to set the cutting speed, material thickness, angle, and other parameters for this color. If the machine has ATC function, T1 T12 are spindles and T13 is an oscillating knife. Cutting speed and material thickness are set here. Select the graphic and click this button to move the graphic to the lower left corner. Click F3 to generate cutting code. Click the F9 key and the machine will run automatically. Click Layer. You can also select T1, Spindle Cutting. After selecting a tool with another number, click F3 again to regenerate the cutting code. Click F9 to start cutting. Imported DXF file. You can select one shape to cut, or select all to cut. Same as before, in Layer, select the cutting tool number, cutting speed, and material thickness. F3 generates cutting code. F9 starts cutting. You can also select different tools, set parameters, and cut at the same time. After setting the graphics to different colors, in the layer, set different parameters for different colors. Then press F3 to regenerate the cutting file. F9 to start cutting.